today, we're making one of the most iconic dishes, couscous. It's so iconic that UNESCO classifies the knowledge and the know-how related to couscous as intangible world heritage. Now, there are many types of couscous dishes across North Africa. Today, I'm doing a version with 7 vegetables that I learned how to make in Morocco. Couscous is typically cooked in a couscousière where meat and vegetables are cooked in the bottom portion of the pot, while individual grains of semolina are beautifully steamed in the top portion. Before steaming, the couscous is coated with a bit of oil and splashed with water. And then between steamings, yes, there are multiple, the grains are carefully separated to ensure a light and fluffy result. I cook the vegetables in 2 batches to ensure everything is cooked to perfection, starting with vegetables that have a longer cook time, like cabbage and turnips. To serve, fluff the couscous with semen or butter, pile it high, moisten it with a bit of that broth, and then arrange your meat and your vegetables. I'm finishing mine with a big scoop of Tfaya or caramelized onion. I'll do a separate video on how to make these delicious caramelized onions. And for the couscous recipe, I'm sharing a link to an amazing recipe from Ma Fleur d'Oranger in the description below. Like and follow for more, and as always, psaha and bon appetit!